Everything that happens in our life happens for a reason. Every single thing that happens in our life happens for a reason. Like nothing happens without a reason. So everything that's happening right now, it's all happening for a reason, even if it doesn't make any sense yet. But one day when you will look back at this exact moment, it will all make a perfect sense, every single piece of it. But you have to trust the process for that. If universe wants to bless you with something, there is no force on earth that can stop that blessing from reaching you. We cannot always control our circumstances and situations in life, but we can always control our reaction to it. We can always control how we choose to look at it. So instead of questioning it, try to ask yourself, what is universe trying to teach me? Because sometimes universe breaks you before he blesses you. And the reason for that is because the old version of you, the version you are right now, might not be capable of holding the blessing that universe has for you. Universe has bigger plans for you, bigger than you can even imagine. But if you are not willing to learn your lessons, if you are not willing to let go of everybody and everything that no longer serves you, universe will break you to the point where you have no choice but to let go. Because universe wants to rebuild you. He wants you to step into a new frequency. He wants you to become the version of yourself that is actually capable of holding everything that universe has for you. And that requires you to shed the old version of yourself completely. Problem is that people see failure and success as two different things. Failure is a part of success. Success comes through failure. All the most successful people on this planet are the ones who have failed the most. They all have been through times where everything fell apart, where nobody believed in them, where odds were completely against them. But they refused to stop. They kept believing in themselves even when no one else did. And that's the first rule of success. You have to believe in yourself. Because if you believe you can, you can. If you believe you can't, you can't. Because all these limitations that we have created around ourselves, these are just in our head. And success comes to those who choose to believe in themselves regardless. And I believe in divine timing. Just because it's taking longer than you expected doesn't mean that it's not happening. It's happening. It's already written for you. It's already been prepared for you. Universe is just waiting for the right moment when you are truly ready to receive it. Because the universe knows things that we don't. He can see things that we can't. He can see the full picture. So you have to trust the universe. You have to trust that everything that's happening, it's happening for my greater good. It's all making me into who I am supposed to be. And that's it. That's everything. So trust the process. Trust the divine timing. Trust yourself.